Hey guys! Hi guys! And today we're making slime in the freezer. Let's see if it's not sticky. Yes. Okay, first we need glue and toothpaste again. This time we're gonna mix it. Wow! This time we're gonna mix it. Yeah. Oh man.
O yan ang ulam natin.
I don't know. Yes. It's my turn. Time to get cold. Ginigang. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Toothpaste. My Colgate.
Hindi na lang miswa yan, Teo.
Get out. Whoa!
Siya may lagay mo miswa.
Wow. So many squares, bro.
Oo. Asa mo kay Ate Jane, marunong na mag-English siya.
Ano naman siya mag-English, di ba, Gab?
Opo.
You know how to speak in English, di ba?
Yeah, really?
Okay, let's mix now. Mix.
Siya pa nga nagsasabi minsan, speak in English, please. Right, Gab?
Yes.
You speak in English with Dada.
Dada, speak English, please.
You say, Dada, where are you going?
Dada, where are you going?
We go in the city.
What?
Yeah.
Kinder City?
Yes, I.
Okay. Let's put it in the freezer. Let's go. Let's go. Hold it, hold. How? It just dropped off, bruh. Wow. Okay, let's wait. 4 minutes later. Let's check. Price check. Surprise. 3, 2, 1. Wow. 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 Hey guys, we are making slime already here. Ah! It's so squishy. Yes, I. Yo! Whoa! The smells